Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing another full review of some products that I received from TGIN that I've been wanting to try for so long, so I'm happy that I'm able to make this video. This is gonna be my first impression, genuinely, and I am so excited. If you like how my hair is looking, because I absolutely love it, because I'm about to show you all of the TGIN products from their new Miracle Repair line. I'm gonna be showing you their shampoo, conditioner, 2 hair masks, and their leave-in all in this video, and I'm going to be doing a detailed review of what I think of each product as I go through and use them in my shower routine. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with an old wash and go, I'm ready to wash my hair because my hair is starting to look a little dry. My ends are looking a little crazy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drench my hair in water before applying any shampoo to my hair. And the shampoo that I'll be using is the Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo with black honey and coconut oil. This is an intense restorative shampoo that helps reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repairs hair damage. Find you. While applying the shampoo, I noticed that it was minimal lather, which means that this shampoo is not stripping my hair, which is amazing because I do not like shampoos that strip my hair, but it still makes it feel clean at the same time. Find you. Find you. Moving on to conditioner, I'm starting off with the CPR treatment because it does say on there that after the CPR treatment, I can move on to the hydration mask. So I'm going to start by applying that to my hair, and then I'm going to work that through. The Miracle Repair CPR treatment has black honey and biotin, and this is supposed to help reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repair hair damage. I've always heard good things about TGIN's hair mask, and now is the moment for me to see if it lives up to the hype, and already I'm impressed with the slip on this product. Now I'm going to just put my plastic cap on, and I'm going to let it penetrate for about 3 minutes. Conditioning, I'm going to be using the Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask, and I'm just going to apply that all over, but I'm not going to use a shower cap just because I already did with the first treatment, but you can if you want to. After I ran the brush through my hair, I realized that this product had even more slip than the first one, and I was so shook because my hair felt like butter. I rinsed the product out, I was so shook. My hair was so soft. I kept on running my fingers through it over and over because it just kind of felt like my hair just was buttery soft and just, ugh. Find you. Moving on to styling, I'm going to be using this Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner with black honey and coconut oil. And this is an intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repairs hair damage. Conditioner was so moisturizing. It just felt so good going onto my hair. I love the application. Everything about this leave-in conditioner was just perfect. Beautiful, bouncy, defined curls. Definitely recommend these products. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.